All right, welcome for Heart Academy for Monday, October 3rd, 2016. This is Hart. Sorry you can't see me today because I'm using a school laptop and the camera on it doesn't work, but you're able to hear my voice and we're going to roll. What I'm going to do today for you is the back side of your homework, which are problems 21 through 30. That means the rest of the problems are on your own. I like doing problems 21 through 30 simply because it has the adding and subtracting. Remember, you're going to want to have your integer rules in front of you, okay? So looking at number 21, subtraction problem, right? And remember, with subtraction problems, we're first going to change it to an addition problem, then change the sign of the second digit. I am in class today with only 2 students in my advisory visiting me right now. Today I have Davis with me. Davis? Now's a good time to say something.
They can't see you.
They can't see you, Davis. There's no camera.
Where are you?
But I can hear you.
They can't
all right.
see you. Where are they? Hear you.
Okay. Right.
Hey. We're invisible people.
And then we have Maya.
Hi.
Here we go.
I hate Miss Hart.
Okay. Miss Hart hates her too. See how she breaks my heart every single day? She crushes my feelings like I'm nothing.
I'm bored already. I already get bored.
Then get out of my classroom.
I'm good.
Okay.
I'm hungry.
So now what we're going to do, first thing is first, is we're going to change the problem to addition. If I change the problem to addition, it looks like this. Change the problem to addition, change the sign of the second number. So really what I have here is a negative 10 plus negative 47. Now all I have to do is follow my integer rules. When we have a negative plus a negative, our answer is negative, and all you have to do is add. 47 plus 10 is 57. So negative 57. Okay, we're going to hold on for the... Okay, so I'm going to go down to number 22. Down. Well, it's more like over. Go over to number 22. Here we go. The bell rang, so I had to pause the video because, you know, my students are no longer with me. So for number 22, I have negative 21 minus 29. So again, first, for your subtraction rules, change it to addition, change the sign of the second digit, follow your addition rules. So if I rewrite this, I have negative 29 plus negative 29, okay? So you have a negative plus a negative. If you look on your addition rules, a negative plus a negative is a negative, just add. So 29 plus 29, that will give you 58. Going over to number 23. Now, you really should be stopping the video and trying it yourself and then unpausing the video to see if we come up with the same answer, okay? So use a video to help you understand the concept, not just to get the answers. This one is already an addition problem, so it's an already addition problem. I don't have to change anything over, okay? I just follow exactly what I see according to the rule. You have a positive 13 plus a negative 29. What do we do when we have a positive and negative? We got to find the difference of the two. To find the difference of the two, all you have to do is subtract the digits. Remember, when I say the digits, I'm just looking at 29 and 13, okay? So 29 minus 13, okay? Don't try to do it this way. It's just going to make it harder for you. I know you see the 13 first, but it doesn't matter because when you find the difference between the two numbers, it's just a subtraction problem like normal, like you would subtract normal numbers. So first I'm going to do is do 29 minus 13. If you do 29 minus 13, you'll get 16 left over. So now I know my answer is 16, but I have to figure out if it's a positive or a negative 16. We do that by looking at the digits again. Remember, the digit here is 29. Okay, if I said look at the number, that would be negative 29. But I'm saying just look at the digit. So the digit is 29, and then the digit over here is 13. Which digit is bigger? 29. So now that I know that the 29 digit is bigger, I'm going to make sure that my answer has that sign with it. So my answer should be negative 16. So for number 23, answer is negative 16. Going over to 24. I know I'm going fast, but again, please pause whenever you're ready. I have a regular problem, a positive plus a positive. So when we have a positive plus a positive, all you have to do is add. 38 plus 22, 60. Number 25 is a subtraction problem, so I'm going to change it to addition. So remember, if it's a subtraction problem, to change to addition, change the sign to addition, and then change the sign of the second number. You can tell now that this 44 is a positive 44. So now I'm going to make it negative 44. Let me rewrite it so you can see what I'm talking about. Problem's now addition, and I had to change the sign of the second number. So really what I'm looking at is negative 32 plus negative 44. If you follow your addition rules, a negative plus a negative will give you a negative answer. Just add those two negatives together. 32 plus 44 is 76. So my final answer for this one is negative 76. All right, let's look at 26. Okay, I have a negative. It's already an addition problem, so I don't have to change anything over. I just follow the rules of a negative plus a negative. Okay, so I'm looking at a negative plus a negative. I follow those rules. It's going to be negative, and I just add them together. Negative 12 plus negative 11 is negative 23. So this is saying, like, basically you have negative $12 in your account. You then went and spent $11 more. So that means now you owe the bank $23. Another way of looking at it. And our next one, 27. These have 3 digits, but don't worry about it. You have, first, take it 2 digits at a time. You have a positive plus a positive. What do we do when we have a positive plus a positive? Answer's positive, just add. So far that gave me 17. I'm then going to bring down the rest of what I see. And take a look at what we have again. So now I have a positive plus another positive. That should be 4, not 14. Okay? What do we do when we have a positive plus a positive? We add. And the answer will be positive. So your answer here should be a positive 21. Okay? Number 28 for the day. Let's see. So now I have, take it 2 at a time, a positive plus a negative. Remember, it's already addition, so I don't have to switch anything over, just follow the rules. What do I do when I have a positive plus a negative? Okay? Or negative plus positive? If you look at your rules, you have to find the difference between the two. So I'm going to find the difference between the 2 digits. Keep the sign of the higher digit. Digits, 16 or 13. 16 is higher. So my answer will be a positive 3. Now for the next part, whoops. Now that I know that this is positive 3, bring down what's left over, a plus 5. And now I have a positive plus a positive. What do we do when we have a positive plus a positive? We just add. So the answer to this one will be a positive 8. You have 2 more on your sheet that looks like that didn't make it onto my clip right here. So I will write them down. Number 29, you have 2 minus negative 9, okay, minus 8. So same thing, take it 2 at a time, right? Notice you have a subtraction problem, okay? So what do? We're going to change it to addition, change the sign of the second number. So now that's a positive 9. Let me rewrite it right here. So I have 2 plus 9. See it now? That answer is 11. But then you're going to bring this down. So I have to bring down my minus 8. Okay? 2 ways that you can look at this. You're just really looking at 11 minus 8, which is, of course, 3. Or the way I prefer you to look at it is like integers. You have a subtraction problem. What do? Change it to addition. Change the sign of the second number. So now what I really have is 11 plus negative 8. And what do when we have a negative and a positive? Subtract to find the difference. Keep the sign of the higher digit. What's higher, 11 or an 8? 11 is higher, so I'll keep it as a positive 3. So either way, you should be getting the same answer. But this way, you're more looking at it as an algebraic integer rule. Okay? And your last one, number 30 on the page. 10 plus 3 minus negative 8. Do the first 2. That's a positive plus a positive. Very easy. So we have 13. Bring down everything that's left over. So it should look like this. And now you have a subtraction problem. So you know what to do. We're going to change it to addition. Change the sign of the second number. So really what I have is 13 plus 8. Positive plus positive. Answer is positive. Just add. All right. So that was the entire section of the back half. And a lot of these other ones you've also did in class, so that's all I'm going to share with you for today. Making the homework easier for you, remember on the back of the packet are integer rules. So if you need to take a look at the integer rules, please do so. Take that sheet off and follow the rules the best that you can there. All right, guys, that's all I have for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.